Alright, it just took the bumper off. Now it's time to take the headlights out and start working on the headlights. So there's plenty of videos out there on how to take off the bumper. I'm not going to show you guys that. There's videos out there. So next step.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, so I got the headlights open and we got, let's see, 1, 2, and over here would be, it's in the dark, I'll write it up for you, 3, the third LED driver there, or LED lights that we're going to replace. So we're going to take the pins out and then replace it with the new ones, the Flashtec color changing LEDs. So one of the things you're going to need is this 2-part epoxy. It cures in 5 minutes. The reason for that is the Flashtec LED replacement lights. They're not like the OEM plates, boards that fit on the metal part here. They're these 3 LED lights, but you do have to glue them down here. You want to make sure the metal plate is also here. So the way they work and the way you seat them inside the light casing headlight casing is like that. I don't know if you can see the camera. Fix that for you, but it fits in like that there, and it needs to be glued. So in order to glue it, you do need this 2-part epoxy.
Purchase your tracks.
Well, those will sit for about 5 minutes and they'll set and dry, and we're going to do the other 2 sides.
Tracks today.
Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test the wiring first. I got the LED halo rings attached. So you got your IR reader right here. You got your halo driver, which is one big driver, and then you have your 3 drivers for your LED boards. One, there's another one, 2, and the third one is down here. So 3 of those. Those 3 wires run all the way to the splitter that they have. So there's 6 total. 3 are connected. So I'm gonna check the driver's side, the passenger side first, and we shall see. All right, so they're installed. At least the passenger side is installed. I didn't hook it up to the fuse box. I hooked it directly up to the power and the ground down there. What else? I didn't install it permanently. I just got it working, make sure it's running. Like I said, I ordered the Wi-Fi controller. That should be in the mail, but I do have the standard remote that it comes with. And I'm limited on what I can control. I can control the lights all at once, turn them on, white, blue, green, red, but I can't change the halos and the LED runner boards separately until I get the other controller, the Wi-Fi controller. But as you can see, it's up and running. Passenger side, I'm going to call it a day. It's getting late, and I'll do the rest tomorrow. All right, so completed the install. I got the Wi-Fi controller installed. See here, we go to halo, connect them, power on. There we go.